Hi, I'm Senator Ben Cardin. It's a pleasure to be here, even virtually with you, all at this annual summit. Throughout my time on Capitol Hill, the Maryland Center for Economic Policy has been an invaluable partner and ally in advocating for legislation that helps the people of Maryland. I am honored to be here today for this timely discussion about justice and civic accountability as it relates to the challenges facing Marylanders. Over the course of this Economic Justice Policy Summit, you have heard about ways the state can better support working Marylanders and their families, ensure everyone can have access to safe, affordable housing, and create a fair tax system that asks everyone to pay their fair share, instead of reinforcing income and wealth gaps and widening the racial disparities. Along with my colleagues in the Senate, I am working tirelessly to make sure that these needs are met. The Build Back Better Act, which passed the House in November and which we must pass in the Senate, provides historic funding levels for programs that expand economic opportunities for low and middle-income Marylanders. To name a few, this act would cut taxes for low and middle-income families, reduce child poverty and hunger, create and expand opportunities for affordable housing, extend health care coverage, and more. To support our workers, the Act invests in development and funding for federal job training programs to prepare folks for quality jobs in fast-growing sectors. It does so by increasing the Labor Department's annual spending on workforce development by 50% for each of the next 5 years, and increasing the maximum Pell Grant awards, supporting 85,000 students in Maryland who rely on that program. The Act also provides $150 billion in funding for affordable housing and community development. That includes a $65 billion investment in the nation's public housing infrastructure and $24 billion for housing vouchers. This investment will support extremely low-income families and will target households experiencing or at risk of homelessness, survivors of sexual assault, domestic violence, and trafficking. Finally, the Build Back Better Act extends programs such as the Child Tax Credit and the Earned Income Tax Credit, which will significantly reduce poverty across the country. The Act goes as far as to make the CDC refund permanent for families who need it the most, and an extension of the EITC will provide a tax cut of up to $1,500 for 263,000 low-wage workers in Maryland. All in all, I am proud of the progress we have already made and optimistic for what is to come. I will continue to fight for federal resources that invest in the people of Maryland and look forward to all that we can accomplish together.